is here, as we're still reaching the halfway point of another official week of January. January 14th, 2024, CN Hayes here. 12:52 coming to you from West Ladysmith. 519 is back, and the MEI rebuild of the 3131 is here. How about that? Let's check them out on the rolls. We'll lean back and get them. 3 pulpwood flats from Bell Polo Baron. Ten empties today. PROX 3543. So 3 pulp wood flats. And I think 7 liquid propane tank empties. Seems like the GMD of the 5349 decided to take a break today, which I'm quite surprised. And I am definitely stunned that I did not expect an MEI rebuild to show up on the return for today's 519.81 of the 14th. The 3131 was previously GECX Tier 4 Demo Humpback 2042. So I was surprised to see her do the honors this time by. So that will do it for today's L519.81 of the 14th. And we'll do it for the MEI rebuild of ET44AC 3131. It was previously GECX Tier 4 Demo Humpback 2042. And we'll do it for this video at West Ladysmith, near Ladysmith, Wisconsin. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you next time, and I hope I'll see you along the main line. CN Hayes out.